No, but I mean, we have to see what's going to happen. Okay, it looks like the sound's working. It's that button that you... Take your time and remember all this is editable. Hey guys, it's Lisa and my daughter Brooke. We just did my brows. We did the brow lamination using this kit from Ardell. Ardell is so generous with me, and they sent me a big box of lashes and different things. And Brooke went to esthetician school, and she worked at Ulta at the benefit counter doing brows. And so we just did the lamination kit on my brows, and then she, what would you call that, tweezing?
Yeah.
And just
style
the whole thing, style and trim. So if you would like to see her use this kit and do my brows, then just keep on watching. So we're getting started. I did my makeup today, and I think it's important, like if you were to go get your brows done, wear your normal makeup and your normal lashes so that they know what your look is. Don't you agree?
Sometimes. One time someone had a strip lash on. It could get stuck. I mean, it depends on if you're getting waxed.
Okay, I'm not waxing.
You use Retin-A.
I use Retin-A.
Yeah.
We'll pull the skin right off. So she's going to tweeze, and then she's going to...
Well, no, we laminate first.
Oh, laminate?
I'm just going to do it how we did it at Benefit.
Okay. So I'll zoom in a little bit further. Okay.
So first, I wish I had...
Do you have the kit that we're using that you can show them?
Well, I have, let me see. Here's the packaging.
Show them.
This is it. Yeah. I assumed we would show them in the intro.
Oh, okay.
But, I mean, I can show what comes in it, though.
No, that's okay.
Well, I was going to
Okay.
show. Yeah. So this is I'm assuming, I don't know, it was different, definitely, whenever I did it in school and at Benefit, but I'm just going to go by their instructions since it's probably different. It's really easy. Just step one, you put this on in little increments on the brow, you'll see, but just to place them where you want them. This is the style solution. This is the neutralizer. And then this is the treatment oil. This is honestly, you don't need it, but I'm assuming it's just like, since you're perming your brows basically.
Some conditioner.
Yeah, basically.
I've had them done
but yeah.
one time.
And it comes with this stuff. I'm going to use a spoolie too, but this has little things on it.
So it comes with everything.
Yeah.
And so explain to them what laminating your brows does.
It just makes them go in the way. It's almost like permanent brow gel. I mean, that's how I explained it to people. Okay. But it is like a perm for your brow hairs.
Okay. And honestly, I'm not really the person who needs laminated brows because
I think you'll like it.
Mine don't have a lot of texture. But if you're someone whose brows don't lay flat and they're a little like this, it will make them lay flat.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I think that's the beauty.
And people think like you have to do that feathery look, but you can really perm them to go any way you want.
Okay. You know how I like my brows.
Yeah. Okay. And I mean, you use the laminate brow gel from Too Faced anyway, right?
I do.
Isn't that? Yeah. Okay.
I do like them slick back.
That's why I thought you'd like it.
Yeah.
Look at Chanel.
Where is she?
Right there.
Oh, she's laying down here with us. No, you can come back up.
I'm going to go get some water. Okay. I'm just going over them with water to make sure.
Yeah, because I do get makeup in my brows.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're going to have to like put concealer back around them or something, but...
That's okay. So if they were doing it to themselves at home, this is what they would do. They would just make sure they're clean.
Yeah. I mean, again, you can have makeup on them, on your face, but just as long as your brows are clean. Whenever I used to do brows, I didn't mind if people had makeup on, but I felt kind of bad.
If removed it?
Yeah, and then like I could always put concealer back on them, but then that made the appointment longer, and then it just kind of like,
Yeah.
But something you have to do. And I don't know why. I assumed like I would tweeze them before too, the lamination, but Ulta, that's what they said to do, so I don't know.
Did you learn about laminating when you were in school?
We did, yeah, but I just...
What did they say then? They didn't really even think about combining the two?
No, they didn't.
They taught you like...
I feel like and then I guess like wherever you're into working, they'll tell you how to do it. Yeah. In school, they're not very specific. They just tell you how to do it.
Exactly. And then whoever you work for after that has probably their specific way.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. And another thing, well, I'll talk about that later. Just not to leave it on too long. So it's just like a perm. So if you left a perm on too long, you can like damage your actual little brow hairs. Yeah.
Please don't make me brow hair.
You're already sad about your hair.
No, I don't know if I could take it. I'm at Working Bridge.
Okay. Let me go ahead and find where this... I'm hungry too. Yeah. I want sheets.
I do too.
A pizza. That pizza was good.
I know Will will go for that.
So right now I'm just setting them in place of where I'm gonna want them.
Okay.
So, and this stuff dries, or I haven't used this specific kind, but pretty sure it dries down. So that's why they say work in sections. And this has little prongs on it. I feel like I have to hold my breath. I don't want to like be breathing too much in the mic.
Oh, don't worry about that. I thought you meant you don't breathe in those fumes.
Oh no, can you smell them? I can't smell them.
No, but that's what
I think the neck stuff smells weird because it's
that's
you
what I was
know?
going to say. That's what I think of with the perm is how it smells.
Yeah, even with my brows though, whenever I got them laminated, I never thought I'd want that because my brows are like yours. Like they're not really that thick, but it does make them look like thicker. Don't you like your front hairs to kind of go up and then at the end they you want them to just go lay down normal?
Yeah, because those end ones are so long.
I can trim them.
But if you trim them too much, it'll leave a gap. It's like there's not many.
Yeah.
You need the whole length of it to make the tail. How would you describe my brows?
Fine.
Fine. Okay.
Fine. Not super thin. I mean, like definitely not. I wouldn't say they're thin.
I was never an overplucker.
Yeah.
How many people come in that you can tell they overplucked?
A lot. Most of them. More than like you would think.
More than not?
Yeah. Well, it depends on the age range too, you know?
Exactly.
Yeah. Like a lot of the girls like my age or even a little older, I feel like they like learned from.
Yeah. And then women my age, a lot of them don't have a lot of brow hairs. They've overplucked.
It's like they'll grow back, but then they're just a little patchy. One thing I can really tell is whenever girls or women don't pluck them, but they just use a razor. That's the most annoying because then it's hard to tweeze them, and then they're too short and too stubby for the wax to get them. So then it's like I feel bad that I can't, but like genuinely.
Yeah.
They're almost like you have to pop them. It's weird. Like you have to like make them come out.
Yeah. Yeah, Chanel. She has the best eyebrows.
A whisker explosion.
Whisker explosion.
Okay. I mean, they're not laying down yet because this is just the glue to... Let me look at them. I'm going to look at them from like this way. And I'll give you a mirror too to make sure like this is how you would want them. Okay. I'm going to do this side now.
Okay.
Another thing though is you can't get them wet for 24 hours.
Okay. I can do that.
I mean, up to you. But like if you wanted it to last.
You have to take a picture with your phone of where she is.
Yeah. I was thinking my mic probably can get her turned. It is nice too for like a lot of older ladies. I noticed like your hair is just like naturally sometimes get really like wiry.
Yeah.
It's nice for that too because then you don't have to make it shaped anyway, but at least the wiry hairs are.
Do I have wiry ones?
There's one on this end that's like a little curly.
Yeah. One wanting to get crazy.
Yeah. Like it would stop that. Okay. I'm going to read what step 2 is for them. Oh, okay. Okay. So now we're going in with the number 2. This is the solution? Yeah, style solution.
Okay.
So this one might actually smell. Oh, yeah.
Okay. Chanel might run away.
You smell it?
Yeah.
Ooh, I kind of like it. I don't know why.
I know. Maybe it's, I don't know. It's the light vibes.
Wow, man.
Yeah, something like that. I'm supposed to be able to stick a Q-tip in here, but it's kind of like not. What the heck?
It was a stopper.
I think there's a stopper. Yeah. Okay.
So to tell them there's a stopper in it.
Yeah.
So
I did not realize that. Okay, yeah, now the Q-tip goes in.
it goes in. Okay.
Okay, I'll start over here.
Oh, it smells just like a perm.
And I like to really saturate and make sure. Now, I like doing this part. I don't know why, it's like satisfying. The saran wrap. This helps it process.
Okay. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah, let me get the scissors.
Probably create heat.
It does from your body, yeah. And it kind of, it makes them flatter because, I mean, you're really pressing down. Yeah, like that's another thing in school. They didn't tell us to do this, but I feel like everyone should because it makes it better. Okay, now I'm going to put on a timer for It says 5 minutes. I'm gonna do 4 minutes, honestly, for you, just because since we're being cautious, and you would leave it on like at Ulta. They said like, you know, like thicker, more wiry hairs longer, thinner, more fine hairs less. So
4 minutes for my.
yeah, or I'll just check on them because you can tell whenever they're getting too like over processed, they'll get like wiry. I mean, it's exactly like hair, like if you're like bleaching it or something.
Should I cut off the recording? But it might lose exactly.
That was fine. You don't have to. I mean,
Yeah, let's just keep going.
I can check on them.
How would you tell?
What do you mean?
How would you tell if they're done? You would just tell that they're not damaged.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
exactly. I can tell though that they're like doing more of what I want, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Because this is actually perming them. The next thing like stops the reaction from happening. Just like a minute. Yeah, only 45 seconds.
Good. Well, it was good to, you know, show them how you check them too.
Yeah. This is that dress you gave me from Gap.
I know. I love it.
It's cute. I wish I could wear it to work, but I can't have like spaghetti. It's not spaghetti, but you know.
Sleeveless.
I'm gonna go ahead and go wet the thingy. Or let me see what they say. Because at Ulta we don't wet it, but I feel like with this they probably do. Okay. It says using mini rodent remove excess. So I don't know where that other one I had was. Oh, here it is.
So this was
Well, good. Yeah, we did a little over actually, because I thought, I mean, like I said, you're gonna be able to tell. And then from this kit, it says to just take off the excess. So that is what I'm doing.
Oh, and the next one you mean it's kind of like a neutralizer?
Yeah, it literally is. Like it says neutralizer.
Okay.
Which is the same thing at Ulta.
Yeah. So like when I'm washing my face tonight, I should just avoid
Yeah.
the eyebrows.
Yeah.
I might even have to use some of that wrap if I want to take a shower.
That'd be funny. I mean, whenever I did it, I wasn't like that good with mine. I went to the beach after and went in the water and everything, but I just kept my head out.
Yeah.
So it's okay. I mean, if you're in the shower, I mean, I don't know. I guess if you take really hot showers, the steam might.
I'll be careful because I'm only going to last. I can already tell I like them.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't think it would make that much of a difference on mine.
Exactly. That's what I mean with mine, because mine are like yours. Like, I really liked it. Because I didn't want mine done either, really, but we were doing them, like, at school and at Ulta and stuff. And I was like, I actually do like it. Okay, now I'm going to take...
What are you doing to Katie's tonight? Katie.
Just waxing.
Katie is her roommate.
Yeah.
Who is...
Best friend forever.
Yeah, best friend forever. I mean, they were in kindergarten together. And Katie is very, very fair, blonde.
Yeah, but her brows are thick. Like, whenever you did them, like, yeah.
Well, isn't that interesting?
Like, you can't tell. Same with her eyelashes. Ever since she started using that stuff, Revitalash, it works so good for hers. And it's like, they're blonde, but you can tell they're there now. Like,
Yeah,
okay, I'm going to have to get off the
that's good stuff.
stopper again, which is scary.
Do it around my face.
Okay, I got it. That was easier.
I have a big neutralizer burn on my face.
Oh, this is blue. Interesting.
Cool.
Does it feel cool? Or just cool?
Cool.
Oh.
It's blue, so you can see it.
Yeah, I mean, it goes on clear, but kind of makes sense, you know, like neutralizer, I think. We're not going to the pool, are we?
We can or we cannot.
Okay, I'm wearing my bathing suit. I haven't heard you talk about it since.
Just the way my brain works, I can't hardly think about the next thing till I do this thing.
Yeah. Okay, let me read and see if I should put more. Okay, yeah. So same thing. I'm going to put more of the film on you.
Okay.
And we're going to wait 5 minutes. I'm taking a minute though, so I probably will just put 4 minutes, you know. This part, like, the only scary part would be like the number 2 though, I think. But safe than sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you have the stuff to do Katie's?
Wax and stuff.
Does she want to do that?
I was thinking about it.
Like that?
I was thinking about it. I kind of want to do mine too, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't wax mine either. Because I don't use Retin-A or I don't use Retin-A, but I use retinol like sometimes.
Yeah.
I'm always just like scared. Okay. It says now to like lightly dampen like a paper towel or something, a cotton ball or something, and then gently remove the excess or the neutralizer that's on there.
Okay, repeat that.
Well, it's kind of confusing. At Ulta, we didn't use anything wet because obviously you're not supposed to get them wet, you know? But I lightly dampen this,
Okay.
what is this, cotton square? And I'm just going to like lightly take off the excess.
Okay. That's understandable. It'll still leave a little bit in there.
Yeah, and I mean, we're putting on the, you can just kind of blend your makeup in there. All right, and then all we're going to do next is put on the green, where is it? Or it's not green, yellow. I'll repeat it.
So this is the final step
Yeah, this is the final step.
of the lamination.
Yeah, this is just, like I said, the treatment oil.
Okay.
So,
Are you going to be able to tweeze them and cut them though?
you're so smart. Yeah, I guess I can wait and put this on
Yeah, 'cause
later.
It might make
Yeah.
them hard to get.
Okay. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I want to trim them that much, but
Yeah, you might if you don't think they need it, don't do it. Can you tell that it worked?
oh yeah,
Good.
I think you'll like it a lot, honestly. I'm just going to trim that tiniest bit for now, and then I'll look at you like whenever I'm done
'Cause
tweezing.
This brow's already lower than that one. So that one was struggling.
Yeah. It was 2.
Oh. So you're just doing the stray ones.
Yeah. I mean, over here, this is kind of the end of your brow, but looking at it from this angle, it looks like this brow's a little thicker.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm kind of trying to match them up, but I don't want to
Yeah, I know what you mean.
make them thin. That's why I always thought it was weird at Ulta that we did the lamination before tweezing or anything.
Mm-hmm.
Because then like they're so stuck to your face, it's honestly kind of hard to get them.
Yeah.
But I never like questioned it, so I guess there has to be a reason. I was thinking maybe if we did the perm before, then
You might not want to put the perm solution on
open. That's what I was trying.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking that as well. Open hair follicles. It could get irritated.
Really coarse hair would have bigger follicles.
Chanel could do ASMR.
She could. You're back. You're back. You have a snack?
That one was a big stray. And I never really like tweezing anything up.
Yeah.
Because then you're just like bringing your brows down. I really like to take off from.
Oh, yeah, we want everything up.
Yeah. If there's ever, like with mine, I do take a little bit off one of my arches because one of them's just bigger or higher than the other and it's really noticeable. But I never really took anything off the top.
Do you brows already kind of do, like, is there anything they should do like this?
It's not like brow mapping.
Yeah. Do you, is that something you would do?
Yeah.
When someone
with
came
you, yeah, definitely. With like you and Katie, it's like, again, that is why if you came in with makeup on, it would be nice to see how you do style your brows because then I know like what you're going for. If you want them to be,
That's what I was thinking.
I like mine shorter, you know, and I like my arch to be, I like straight brows, which a lot of people don't. But yeah, like yours aren't as long as they should be, but I like that because to me, if they're shorter,
I can draw.
you can lift them. Yeah, and I don't think they even look bad without the tail. But yeah, they do start where they should be. They should just be a little longer if you're going by that. But
Okay.
I don't even think. Maybe there's some little ones.
I think your head might be in the way, but
Oh, here, I'm going to go grab. Should I go get a mirror so you can look at your face? Yeah. Where do you have a hand mirror anywhere?
I see it right there in the viewfinder.
Oh, you have your contacts in you. Yeah. They look good. Yay. They look really good. Okay. So
We're done. Okay. Thank you, baby.